Do you have a Miller car carrier in your operation and need a convenient way to tow a variety of light-duty and recreational trailers? This C360 brings you good news, because Zips makes a receiver kit for Miller car carrier wheel lifts, so that you can be prepared in the field with the correct attachments on hand. The Zips 2-inch receiver kit will fit Century, Chevron, and Vulcan rollbacks 10, 12, or 16 Series Generation 2 LCG car carrier models built after September of 2016. Take note that those Miller rollback models have a tow rating of 7,500 pounds on the 10 series and go up to 10,000 pounds on the 12 and 16 series car carriers. Please keep in mind that you need to stay within the weight rating of your wheel lift, depending on the model. Simply bolt this bracket onto the crossbar of your carrier's wheel lift. Mounting hardware is included. The receiver has a powder-coated finish and accepts 2-inch shanks. Unlike other brands, where your only purchase option is the receiver adapter, Zips offers a handful of choices for this kit that includes the pintle hitch and tri-ball hitch attachments. Therefore, you can order the receiver by itself, with either hitch attachment, or with both, based on your specific towing needs. The pintle hook-style hitch adapter has a working load limit of 20,000 pounds. Regarding the tri-ball hitch, the 1 7/8 inch ball mount has a working load limit of 6,000 pounds. The 2-inch ball mount has a working load limit of 7,500 pounds, and the 2 5/16 inch ball mount has a working load limit of 10,000 pounds. If you need it now or want to be prepared when the time comes, find the Zips 2-inch receiver kit for Miller car carrier wheel lifts by shopping towing accessories on zips.com.